Okay guys, I have new idler installed. It just arrived and I replaced it new short belt, so it will last another 40 years. So there is the old one, you see, it's like been sitting so long that it's remember its position. And this old idler, I had to cut it off because it's plastified, it's not flexible anymore. And it was sleeping on the reels. And now you see, having feather touch and reels are rolling well. Okay, now we have new rollers, new belts, new idler. I will assemble the tape transport, put it back into the deck, and let's see how it's performed. Head looks to be in a moderate shape, a little bit of wear, but not like no grooves, no significant wear. Okay, let's see how it will perform. So see you when I assemble it. Bye bye.